Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just found out that my wheel bearings in my trailer needed repacking with grease. They were getting a bit grumbly. So I got sick and tired of doing the old wheel bearing. And as you probably know, normally you'd put the grease in your palm of your hand or with a glove on, and you squish it sort of like this until you get the little worms come up around the outside of your bearing, or sometimes that way. You just keep going, boom, 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 until it's rotated, until it's full. So I looked around and I found this. Now this is a KINCROME greasing thing. Turn it that way. A KINCROME bearing greaser. So let's get into it. Let's have a look at it. Let's check it out. Let's see if it's any good. Now, it's stuck nice and tightly together there, sealed up. So, stuck very nicely. There we go. Open the box. Does it come with any instructions? It does. There it is there. Little cap to keep your grease nice and clean, and the system for packing your bearings. Bit of dirt in there. That's odd. Clean that up before we use it. So, quick look at the instructions. I'm pretty sure I know how to use this. Comes with a nice set of instructions there. Yep, put the grease in, blah blah blah. If you're unsure, read the instructions. There we go, read the instructions. I think I know what I'm doing, so let's wing it. First of all, I've selected Nylon Extreme Professional Grease. That's just what I use on my bearings on my trailers. Up to you what you use. I like this stuff. It seems to work pretty good for me. I run it in a lot of the bearings on my car as well. It is a beautiful red colour grease. Now, I'm going to use a spoon because I don't want to get it all over my hands. So I take that out. I'm going to give that a bit of a wipe. Don't want to be putting dirt into my bearings. So we fill this up, and I'll just check those instructions again as to how much. It doesn't actually show. Yes, it does. Around about the KINCROME logo with grease. Here we go. Now this is going to do quite a few bearings off this one thing. So I will leave this grease stored in here for the next time I need to do wheel bearings on either my trailers or my car. I actually have another trailer I should probably do the bearings on as well. So I'll get a little bit more in there. Like that. Now this is where I should have gloves, because I don't want to lose that. And put our lid back on so we don't get any muck and rubbish in our grease. Okay, so we take our wheel bearing, nice and clean, brand new. A little bit of a dag there on the plastic because it's the first time. You can expect that on the seal. And check it all the way around. Another piece just there. Pull that off. There we go. So this will unscrew just like that. There's a grease nipple on the top, which you can actually put a grease gun on and squirt grease all the way down inside to fill up. That's kind of a cool feature. So this goes in like that. The bearing then goes down on top, just like that. And then we screw this down nice and tight so the bearing sits on the top. And then all we do is we put pressure down on top. And in theory, well, look at that. I like that. Now we unscrew it. Bingo. one bearing nicely packed with grease. That is pretty cool. I'll set that one down there, and I can do another one. So there you have it, guys. KINCROME. There's other brands that do the similar thing. KINCROME bearing grease packer. I give that a 2 thumbs up actually. I don't have grease all over my hands. Yeah, I did get a little bit, but not covered in grease. No gloves. Wheel bearing nicely packed with grease. Guys, have fun out there, 4-wheel driving. If you like my videos, hit that like, share and subscribe. Make sure you check out my t-shirts in the link below or on the cards. And guys, get out there, have fun.